Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm just going to make you a simple, easy weeknight chicken meal, and with a little bit of a Southwest flair because I'm going to use some Sazon on my chicken. Let's get started. All you're going to need is some chicken. I'm just going to use 2 chicken breasts that I'm going to cut long ways to make 4. I'm going to need some Sazon, some pepper, some salt, and some olive oil. That's it. That's main dish done. Okay, and you're going to need one more ingredient. You're going to need some breadcrumbs. You can use regular, or you could even use panko. It doesn't, or homemade. Whatever kind of breadcrumbs you have, that's what you use. And the reason I'm using the Sazon for a Southwest flair is because I have some black beans and rice that are left over from last night. And you know, we don't waste anything, so we're going to have them again. So all I'm going to do is switch up the meat, and we're golden. Another dinner done.
All right, guys, we're going to take this time and give a shout out to Wanda up in Boston, Georgia. Population 1,359.
Salute.
And watch the video to the end. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. You can hit the thumbs up and like too.
Yeah. Okay, now what we're going to do now is we're going to take these 2 chicken breasts that I thawed out earlier, and we are going to make that into 4. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to shoot for as close to the center as we can get. Cut that down. Like that. Same thing with this one. Try to get as close to the center as we can. And I have saran wrap on my cutting board, because that makes it so much easier when you beat your chicken, which we do need to do. We need to tenderize and flatten out that chicken. So there's one piece of saran wrap, and then we're going to put a second piece of saran wrap over the top. And the reason for that is then you don't have kitchen chicken spatter. Now we're going to take my little meat cleaver, and we're just going to mash that out and try to make them all the same size or the same thickness. I don't care about the size, but I want the thickness the same. I don't know if you guys know it or not, but my meat cleaver is probably as old as I am. Because they used to make things to last. Not like nowadays. But there we go. We're all nice and beat up now. So I'm going to take that top off. See how nice and flat we are? Now we're going to get that salted. And we're going to get it peppered. Get that nice non-GMO Sazon on there. Or not non-GMO, I'm sorry. That's not the right word. It has no MSG. That's what I was getting at. It has no MSG. I mean, I actually want to taste my food, not taste an additive that makes me think my food is good. Okay, let's get that flipped. Do it again. I'm pretty liberal with that. That's all done. And I'm looking for a medium-high flame, closer to medium, because it's not that thick and it's not going to take that long to cook. But I need to get my pan nice and hot. Okay, now we're going to get our chicken ready. So we're just going to dredge. We're just going to take probably a half a cup, maybe a cup. I doubt it. A little more than half a cup anyway of your breadcrumbs. And then we're just going to take that chicken and dredge it. And give it a nice coat. Okay, and I missed a spot on that chicken. So now I'm not missing a spot. Okay, my pan should be good and hot now. Okay, and I'm going to need to put 4 or 5 tablespoons of olive oil in there. Okay, I just want to make sure I got a good coat at the bottom of my pan. So we're going to add our chicken. Hear that sizzle? It's not quite high enough. There is a sizzle, but it's not quite high enough. So I'm going to turn that up just a little bit. That second piece in there. And this shouldn't take more than, I wouldn't say more than 3 minutes per side, as thin as it is. Okay, we're going to check that other side now. See, nice and pretty and golden brown. My chicken is done. Now let's get those other 2. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer that to my cutting board. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take all of my chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces, because it's going to go on top of my black beans and rice. So we're just going to put it all nice and cut up. Look how tender, it's just falling apart. Okay, now I'm going to bowl it up for you. Take that perfect rice. It's been sitting there now for a while. Black beans. Put those right over the top with some juice to go over our rice. We're going to put some chicken all around the outside of the bowl where we can get to it. And we're going to put a dollop of sour cream right in the middle. Okay guys, I hope you really enjoyed our video, and I hope you try that chicken. You'll be so amazed. Y'all be safe and take care. Bye.